All right, Jane, looks like Elsa is now making its way into Georgia, and it's giving them problems now with some of the same flooding issues that we had, as well as isolated tornadoes. Of course, we're going to have the latest on what to expect here and your forecast coming up in just a bit.
And who knows? I can't see it. I can't see it.
I'm Jane Manuel, joined by Fox 4 anchor Patrick Nolan, live in downtown Fort Myers. He's kind of standing by, checking out the coverage there. And, of course, Chief Meteorologist Derek Beasley for what things are looking like right now.
Much better for us. We're seeing it moving out of the area right now. You see Patrick's live shot. Again, Patrick's live shot, again, showing beautiful skies out there, and that's what we're seeing right now. We're seeing some dry air pulling in on the backside of this thing. Skies are partly cloudy, and again, those temperatures are starting to respond in the wake of the cloud cover kind of moving out of the area. So upper 80s to around 90 degrees, but there's Elsa right there making its way up towards the Georgia coast into the Carolinas, away from our area, and that's certainly some good news. Out in the tropics, not a whole lot to talk about here. The entire tropical Atlantic pretty much is void of anything. There are a couple of areas of disturbed weather out there, nothing that we're too concerned about, and we don't anticipate any development anytime soon, but if that changes, we'll certainly let you know. Right now, the winds are at 45 miles per hour, moving to the north at 14, expected to potentially re-strengthen after weakening to depression, re-strengthen back to a tropical storm over the Atlantic by Friday into Saturday. Temps right now 90 degrees for LaBelle and Immokalee. Heat index, though, getting close to 100. So with all that rain and then with the heat in place, it just makes it feel really difficult outside. So get used to these temperatures. They're back. We got kind of a break the past couple of days with the cloud cover. Looks like we're going to see those temperatures on their way back up. So temps overnight into the 70s, falling into the mid to upper 70s for most areas, and then rising to the mid to upper 80s to around 90 degrees here for tomorrow afternoon. There's that tornado watch in effect for the Georgia coast into the Carolinas and parts of northeast Florida. There was earlier a tornado confirmed just to the west of Jacksonville. Center circulation now crossing over the border, now heading, looks like, over the Okefenokee Swamp in southeast Georgia, and it'll continue up I-95 over the next several hours. So forecast for this evening, there are some storms that have fired up inland. Those will continue to push away from the area. I don't really expect a whole lot overnight. I can't rule out a couple of showers near the coast tomorrow morning. It's not going to be anything significant, but a couple of showers will perhaps develop. We're going to still have a southwest flow in place, so that's why that could occur. And then we'll see our typical, I should say, sea breeze storms developing during the afternoon, particularly in areas right along State Highway 29, and then we could see that push back towards the coast. Now, Friday, I think we're going to see more of an easterly flow, and that's when I think most of the storms, though, will be focused on the Gulf Coast. That would be on Friday afternoon, and that'll continue into the upcoming weekend. So your forecast for tonight, partly cloudy. It'll be humid. The temperatures overnight dropping into the mid-70s under a partly cloudy sky. And then for tomorrow, 91 degrees, mixture of cloud and sunshine with a few scattered showers and storms here across the area with a southwest wind at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. We'll take a quick look at your marine forecast. Seas running about 2 feet with a southwest wind at about 5 to 10 knots. Inland waters, a light chop. So looking pretty good on the water. Certainly a lot better than what we were dealing with yesterday. Quick look at the radar once again. Scattered storms developing across inland areas, mainly across Glades and Hendry County. You can see them moving there, and notice the direction that they're moving from left to right. Those showers and storms, again, popping up and pushing away from the area. It looks like most of southwest Florida, though, will be dry here for the rest of tonight. So that's certainly some good news there. And again, a last look at Elsa. Moving away from the area, so no longer going to be having issues out of that after a very, very wet overnight and morning period. Here's your 7-day forecast. Skies partly cloudy, scattered storms expected each afternoon. Could see a couple of coastal early showers for your Thursday, but the rest of the week into the weekend looks like mainly afternoon storms with highs in the low 90s.
Derek.